Okay, here we have the first video of 2017. This is a Monumental antique Black Forest Hunter Cuckoo clock from about 1890, 1880. This magnificent clock is considered a 5-foot example. It's well over 50 inches in height, and it's about 31 inches across the pediment at its widest point. You can see all the carvings, absolutely exquisite. Everything's done in full relief. And this clock is very unusual because of its originality. Original antlers, all the carvings are original, it's had no restoration work. The finish is original, the numerals are original. The bone hands, the nuts, the chains, pendulum leader, all the wires and linkage for the bellows. Beautiful cuckoo bird with original paint. Just a magnificent clock. We specialize in locating monumental antique Black Forest clocks for collectors worldwide. This clock is on its way to a new home right outside of Aspen, Colorado. And we deliver these antique clocks and set them up in person throughout the Mountain West. We could also crate and deliver worldwide. If you're interested in adding an exquisite Black Forest clock to your collection, cabin, restaurant, or lodge, you can email me at justin@blackforestclocks.org. You can also visit my website, blackforestclocks.org.